Hey guys, and today we are back onto another video, and today we're going to be playing Piggy build mode because Minitoon put this small update into Piggy build mode. So basically, the small update that he put into build mode is transitions for the cutscenes. So, as you know, in build mode, you can make your own cutscenes, like you could create scenes and stuff. So basically, if we come here and we edit scene 1, it's usually over here it would say like a delete button, but Minitoon has moved the delete button over here. So now instead, when we come over here, we can see that there's a transition button. Right now it says no transition. So basically what you can do is if you press on this, you will get like 3 options. You could do no transition, you could do move camera, and you could do fade in / out. So basically what the move camera does is when you go like from scene to scene, the camera will move from one character to another camera where the character is pointing to, or the camera. So right here, I'm going to go and get 2 characters over here. I'm going to go get the player. So I'm going to go and place the player here, and I'm going to go and get another character. Let's go ahead and, I guess let's get Officer Doggy over here. So basically, what the move camera thing does is that whenever you're like going and like you're making a cutscene, what will happen is like if the camera is like pointing to like a character. So if I like put the camera facing like the player right now, and like so right now the transition is move camera. Okay, so like we have move camera selected. So I'm gonna go ahead and select the player as the speaker. So if I do it like, "Hey doggy, what's up?" So if I do it like that, so the player will say, "Hey doggy, what's up?" and the camera will point to the player. So then I'll add another scene. Actually, hold on, no, wait. Okay, so hold on. So if I press this button, it will like copy that scene, and I'll have the same scene. So then I can put the camera here, and then I can put like and it will face it there, and then I'll put Officer Doggy as the speaker, and he'll be like, "It's going good, just catching," or like it's going good, just doing my job. So now Officer Doggy says that. So basically what the moving camera transition does is that when you play the cutscene and when it goes from one character to another, it will move the camera just like it does in Piggy. So here's the player. "Hey doggy, what's up?" So the player will say it's 9 and the camera will move, and it will go to Officer Doggy, and it's going to be like, "It's going good, just doing my job." So before, whenever you were creating a cutscene, it would like black out and it would come back in and it would show like the next scene. So now the camera actually moves. Like if we come over here once again and we see the player and Officer Doggy, so like the player's having a conversation, it's like, "Hey doggy, what's up?" Instead of the camera like going directly to Doggy, it just moves towards the Doggy, almost like how it does in the real normal Piggy game. So yeah, it's like Doggy's like, "It's going good, just doing my job." Now this is really good if like a character is having a conversation with another character. The moving camera transition is really good for that thing. But now let's test out the fade in and fade out. So I'm guessing what this transition does is that after one scene, it fades out, it like blacks out, and like the blackness disappears in the next scene. So I'm going to put this for both the scenes, so fade in and fade out. So let's see what this does. So what I'm guessing what this fade in and fade out thing does is it like, so let's play the cutscene right now. So then the player's like, "Hey doggy, what's up?" And I think what's going to happen is that the camera's going to like turn black, and it's going to go to Doggy, and he's going to be like, "It's going good, just doing my job." And then it's going to go black again, and then the cutscene's just going to end. So yeah, that's what the fade in and fade out thing does. Basically, after one scene, the camera just goes all black, and then in the next scene, the camera just turns all back to normal. So basically, what the fade in and fade out does, I feel like it's good if you want to like change the setting of something. So like if you're making a cutscene and like one part of the cutscene takes place in this place and the other part of the cutscene takes place in another place, then you could do the fade in and fade out. Honestly, my favorite one is the like move camera transition, where like it like moves the camera as the characters are talking. So like whenever we're like doing the cutscene, so it's like the player's like, "Hey doggy, what's up?" and then the camera actually moves towards the character instead of just automatically just going towards Doggy. So yeah. So that's the transitions update that Minitoon put in there. And yeah, the black in and black out, I like that, but for this type of setting that I'm doing right now, I don't think it's really good for this setting because like the fade in and fade out thing doesn't really fit with like the player and Doggy having a conversation. But yeah, anyways guys, this was just a short video to show the new build mode update, and yeah, I pretty much like it. So we have the new transitions in here. So we have move camera, fade in and fade out, and we have no transition at all. Or if you put no transition, then it will do it like it did in the old way. It will just show the character immediately. But yeah, so let's try fade in and fade out one last time to show you guys. So basically with the fade in and fade out, it shows one character, and then it just blacks out, and then it shows the next scene. So yeah, honestly, I like the moving camera, because for this scene right here, when the player and doggy are having a conversation, I'd probably be using moving camera, because I think that feels more appropriate. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!